Do you want to start a YouTube channel and get views fast, like this channel and this channel? Do you want to know if you have chosen the right topic to have a profitable YouTube channel? Do you want to enroll in YouTube partner program fast? After I have explained in this video step by step how to niche down and how to find your profitable niche on YouTube and why it is so important to increase your CPM. In today's video, I will show you how to validate your idea and if it is monetizable or not before enrolling in YouTube partner program. The correct way is... Hey everyone, my name is Biba. I am content creator just like you. My goal is to help YouTube beginners to choose the right way to make money online fast. Please make sure to support us, like, subscribe to get updates about our new series about validating making money online on YouTube. How to find best profitable YouTube niche for best monetization YouTube niche idea. This is the area you want YouTube channel to be focused on to make the most out of money on YouTube from early stage, even before enrolling in YouTube partner program. Let me explain why niche down is so important for starting YouTube channel. Because these three parties, YouTube and your channel, your audience and advertiser. Because advertiser pays money, so they want to play the ads on targeted audience, and your targeted audience will watch your videos to solve any problem, to fix any issues. Your video will have the content for your targeted audience, and the advertiser want this target audience. So how they reach them? Throughout your videos. These four parties, YouTube, your channel, advertiser, your audience, all of them are happy when you're searching and validating your YouTube channel idea. How can I validate it? We will search other YouTuber. I will list now the metrics we are looking for. Is the content engaging? How many views? This channel has a lot of views, and these videos are trending. Is this channel has any trending videos? What do I mean by trending videos? For example, if a channel has 1000 subscribers and it has one video that has million of views, this is trending for this specific niche. So another criteria we are going to look for, problems you are solving. Do they solve one problem, several problems, or just random problem? Not focus down, niche down, or just random problem. This is a crucial, so you can validate in the content a level of your audience. Are these content address beginner audience or expert? Which audience in the sales funnels awareness of the problem or not aware of the problem? Talking to expert, talking to beginners. So let's move on to the next metrics. We wanted to examine about the content of other YouTubers that producing videos related to the niche I want to start with. Scaling up. Can you add more niches? What I mean by that, let me explain. When you niche down, you tell YouTube algorithm that you are focusing on this category of your audience. The algorithm finding the right audience for you. Let's say, for example, this is your audience, and YouTube will promote, because you are niching down, you are focusing on specific targeted audience. So you have this segment. Let's say, for example, you are targeting the audience of the one who want to lose weight. How about scaling up? How about to add another segment so you can address the whole audience? Last criteria is monetization. As a beginner, the ad revenue from YouTube partner program will not be much. But how about other monetization method to start earning money from day one? Like what? Like affiliate product, selling your own guides, selling your own course. Okay, a call to action, earning by action. You can monetize your channel from day one. After validating these metrics and confirming that your niche is going to get more views, can be monetizable from day one, can have trending videos, has a specific problem solving, can level up, the trick is understanding your targeted audience. Okay everyone, let's say I want to start a YouTube channel about learning English, okay? As you can see, this is a good idea about niche down, learning English for kids with movies, through stories, for beginners. This is a great idea or a great source of sub niches. You can make a whole YouTube channel about learning English for kids, whole YouTube channels for beginners. Let's say, for example, I will take this channel. This channel has over 4 million subscribers. As you can see, we will go to from the oldest video. As you can see, she started about verbs, vocabulary. This is how she started. She started about niching down, learning English and cook chocolate restaurant. She leveled up about confidence, learning English clearly, naturally. As you can see, she making a segment of videos about certain topic. She adding more segment of audience. She talked about kitchen, vocabulary, okay, then she added to speaking confidently, then she added to grammar, then speaking pronunciation, okay, and how to practice pronunciation. This is how she leveled up. Let's see about views and engaging content. And from the early stage, she got a lot of views. If she has engaging content or not. Engaging content, she has audience and engaging with her. Yes, she has a trending topic. 4 videos, okay, these 4 videos are trending for her because she got more views than her subscriber. The competition on YouTube is not a big issue. If you know how to niche down, find a niche down, then you will scale up and grow. At monetization, how much did she earn? If you go to about, she got this kind of views. Social Blade estimation revenue. As you can see here, this is the estimation. We don't want to count on this YouTube partner program to earn money. We want to add another monetization method. Does she have another monetization method? Yes. She have her website. She have Study With Me, imitation storytelling. This is her courses. This is a reasonable price. And this price is affordable. Many audience on YouTube who wants to learn English. I think she should add more product. By now you have find out how to examine these metrics to validate if your niche is going to be profitable or not. But there is a huge first step you must do before validating the idea. Do you know that your personality has a huge impact on your YouTube channel type? If you are extrovert or introvert, you must watch this video to find out which YouTube channel is the best for you. See you in the next video.